Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate KuCoin's VIP trading benefit. So just tap on my KuCoin account and officially logged in, and I will be just move in my profile, which is top left corner. When I was tap on it, and from here is the option you will see is fees and VIP and coin level 0. So just tap on it. So when I just in, so here you will see the VIP program. So last 30 days of my yesterday, so upgrade to VIP level 1 using any one of these methods, achieve an additional 1 lakh USDT in spot trading volume and additional 5 lakh USDT in future trading volume, or simply hold 1000 more KCS. So right now I am on 0 level, but if you want to increase it, so you can just complete this criteria in your KuCoins. So when I was on the scroll down, so here is a VIP level. I am on level 0. So here is the amount of KCS held 1000, and the spot trading USDT 1 lakh. So here is the limit of trading 5 lakh USDT trading limit, and here is the fees 20% off. So 24 hours withdrawal limit is 1 lakh USDT. So when you increase your level like level 1, so here you will see the 0.076% is fees, less fees when you reach the next levels. And here is the withdrawal limit USDT in 3 lakh per day. So that's all. You can increase it the level 1 2 3 4. So here is the last level is 12 level, which is an unlimited. You will see 60 lakhs. So if I more scroll down, so here is the VIP perks. So you will see VIP plus 1 level upgrade. So you will get a silver when you stage after a level 5 and between 7. So you will just call gold, and if you achieve level 8, you will be called a platinum account. And if you just reach the last level 11 or 12, so your account will be diamond. So here you will see the higher borrowing limits, more sub accounts, API whitelist, low interest loans. So that's all. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.